Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can easily search any transparent image in your Google search. So let's begin. Now you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and let us first type name of our topic. So let's say I want a tree image which is going to be a transparent. So if you just then simply go to this image tab, you'll be getting lots of images, but they are not transparent, right? So for that you need to just simply clicking on this tool, then under this color just simply click on this transparent, and then all image that you are going to see are basically transparent. So if you just simply click any of the link, and if you just simply right click on it and then simply click on this open in new tab, you'll be getting this image of tree which is basically a transparent one. But the thing is, you can't use this image because they mostly are copyrighted. So what you need to do is you need to just simply clicking on this uses right over here. So under this uses right, we'll be getting this Creative Commons license. So just simply click on that, and then you'll be getting several images which are under this Creative Commons license. So you can use any of this image for free. So if you just simply click on that image, and if you just again right click on it and then just simply open it in a new tab, you'll be getting to see this tree which is basically a transparent one, right? So in this way you can explicitly search in your Google console by simply selecting this transparent option under this color, so that the search going to filter only the transparent image. So in this way you search any transparent image using Google search engine. So that is basically all about this video. I have this website called geekyskit.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geekyskit.com. So that is basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.